Hello and welcome. I am Tarun. In this episode, we will learn very simple English. The topic is colors and clothes. We will go slowly, very slowly actually. So if you are a beginner, this is for you. Chapter 1 is about basic colors. Please listen, then repeat after me. One word. Small steps, that is enough. First comer, red. 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 Say it with me. Red. Example, the bag is red. The bag is red. Another one, I like red. I like red. Good. Next color, blue. 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 Repeat, blue. Example, the pen is blue. The pen is blue. Another example, I like blue. I like blue. Next, green. 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 Repeat, green. Example, the leaf is green. The leaf is green. One more, I like green. I like green. Next color, black. 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 Say it again. Black. Example, the bag is black. The bag is black. Another one, my phone is black. My phone is black. Next, white. 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 Repeat, white. Example, the paper is white. The paper is white. Another one, my shirt is white. My shirt is white. Next comer, yellow. 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 Repeat, yellow. Example, the mango is yellow. The mango is yellow. And I like yellow. I like yellow. Now let us review. Listen first, then repeat. Red. Blue. Green. Black. White. Yellow. Again a little faster. Red, blue, green, black, white, yellow. Nice. Now some easy choice questions. You answer with one word only. Ready? The sky is blue or red? Blue. A leaf is green or black? Green. Paper is often white or yellow? White. A school bag can be black or, well, many colors actually. But here, black or white? Black. A ripe mango is yellow or blue? Yellow. Good. Now answer these with your own idea. What color do you like? You can say one word. Red, blue, green, black, white, or yellow. Let us do one final repeat. I say the sentence, you repeat. The bag is black. I like blue. The leaf is green. My shirt is white. The mango is yellow. The bag is red. Excellent. That is Chapter 1. Small words, clear sound, and lots of repetition. That matters. In the next chapter, we will add clothes. Now Chapter 2. We will learn simple clothes words. Then we will join colors and clothes. This is a very useful pattern in daily English. First word, shirt, shirt, shirt. Repeat, shirt. Example, I wear a shirt. I wear a shirt. Next word, pants, pants, pants. Repeat, pants. Example, these are my pants. These are my pants. Next, dress, dress, dress. Repeat, dress. Example, it is a nice dress. It is a nice dress. Next word, shoes, shoes, shoes. Say it again, shoes. Example, my shoes are clean. My shoes are clean. Next, hat, hat, hat. Repeat, hat. Example, he wears a hat. He wears a hat. Next word, jacket, jacket, jacket. Repeat, jacket. Example, this is my jacket. This is my jacket. Good. Now let us combine colour and clothes. This is the key pattern. A red shirt. A red shirt. Black shoes. Black shoes. A blue dress. A blue dress. A white hat. A white hat. A green jacket. A green jacket. Yellow pants. Yellow pants. Now in full sentences. I wear a red shirt. I wear a red shirt. My shoes are black. My shoes are black. She has a blue dress. She has a blue dress. He wears a white hat. He wears a white hat. This is a green jacket. This is a green jacket. I have yellow pants. I have yellow pants. Let us review the clothes words. Shirt, pants, dress, shoes, hat, jacket. Again, shirt, pants, dress, shoes, hat, jacket. And now colour plus clothes. Red shirt, black shoes, blue dress, white hat, green jacket, yellow pants. Easy questions now. You can answer with one word or two words. What colour is your shirt? Maybe blue, maybe white, maybe red. Do you wear a hat? Yes or no. What colour are your shoes? Black, white, blue. Do you have a jacket? Yes or no. Is a shirt a colour or a cloth? No, I mean a clothing word. Right, shirt is a clothes word. Red is a colour word. That difference is important. Try these after me. A black shirt. A white dress. Blue shoes. A yellow hat. A green jacket. Red pants. Very nice. You are now joining simple words into simple patterns. That is real progress. Next, we will use these words to talk about what you wear. Chapter 3. This is speaking practice. We will review the main words and then you will make easy sentences about your clothes. Slow and simple, no pressure. First, the color list. Repeat after me. Red, blue, green, black, white, yellow. Now the clothes list. Shirt, pants, dress, shoes, hat, jacket. Good. Now the main speaking pattern. Pattern 1. I wear a blue shirt. This pattern is very useful. You can change the color. You can change the clothes word. Listen to these examples. I wear a red shirt. I wear black pants. I wear a white hat. I wear a green jacket. Now you try. I wear a shirt. Good. Again. I wear a blue shirt. One more. I wear black shoes. Nice. Pattern 2. My shoes are black. Here we talk about one item. Listen. My shirt is blue. My pants are black. My shoes are white. My jacket is green. Your turn. My shirt is... Say the color. Maybe white. Maybe blue. Maybe red. Again. My shoes are... Say the cover. Good. Now let us build very small descriptions. I will guide you. Just follow the frame. Sentence 1. I wear a shirt. Add a color. I wear a blue shirt. Sentence 2. My shoes are... Add a color. My shoes are black. Sentence 3. I have a jacket. Add a color. I have a green jacket. Sentence 4. I wear a hat. Add a color. I wear a white hat. Now a short speaking drill. Listen first, then speak in the pause. Ready? What do you wear? What color is your shirt? What color are your shoes? Do you wear a jacket? Do you wear a hat? Excellent. If you want, answer in very short English. That is perfectly fine. For example, blue shirt, black shoes, white hat. Simple is good. Now let us do one full model. Listen. I wear a blue shirt. My pants are black. My shoes are white. I have a green jacket. And now you make your own. Speak slowly, one sentence at a time. Before we close, one final review. Colors: red, blue, green, black, white, yellow. Clothes: shirt, pants, dress, shoes, hat, jacket. Core patterns: I wear a blue shirt. My shoes are black. That is the whole lesson for today. Nicely done. Keep repeating the words, even for 2 minutes later today. It helps more than people think. And yes, we will do more simple English in the next episode. See you soon.